Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to have a Google Chrome open up a specific web page or pages startup. So when you launch or relaunch the Chrome browser, if you wanted to load the specific web page, and I'm going to show you on how to do that. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and then select mo lang yung 3 dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. So dito sa settings, kailangan mo lang select dito yung on startup. So click mo lang ito. And then next dito sa on startup, select mo lang dito yung open a specific page or set of page. Okay, so click mo lang dito. And then next step ay makikita mo dito yung dalawang options na add a new page and then yung use current page. And then next, i-click mo lang tong add a new page. And then kailangan mo lang maglagay dito ng any URL link na pwede mong ilagay dito na web page or pages. So halimbawa, lagay natin ang google.com. And then next, i-click mo lang tong add. Then next, pwede ka ulit dito maglagay ng another URL link or website. So click mo lang tong add a new page. And then lagay natin si wikipedia.com. And then click mo lang tong add, right? And then next step dito ay close lang tayo and then kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. Okay, so click lang natin tong Google Chrome. And then automatic mga kaibigan kung ano yung nilagay natin doon na URL link or website ay ito yung ma-open dito sa online startup. So nilagay natin dito is google.com and then yung Wikipedia and automatic siya dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo maglagay ng Google Chrome open a specific page or web page at startup. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.